guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. Alright, so we are going to do hair extensions today, which is one of my favorite things to do. And I'm going to answer all of your guys' questions regarding my hair as well. So without further ado, let's jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I want to say thank you so very much. And if you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos. All right, so I have the hair extensions in and I'm going to show you how I do that. Mhot hair extensions. So these were sent to me, but before we get to the hair extensions, and look at the packaging, isn't that beautiful? But we'll open it together. All right, let's talk about my hair and then we'll get into how I can install hair extensions in 5 minutes. Yes, it doesn't take long. And I am not a hairdresser or hairstylist by any means, and I don't necessarily, hairstylists out there might go, oh my God, that's not how to do it. Hey, I do it the way that I know how to do it, and then it looks good. So let me talk about the products that I use in my hair. I use Pureology to wash my hair. That's the shampoo and conditioner that I use the majority of the time. So the other shampoo and conditioner that I use is Formulate, and Formulate is where you can actually design your own shampoo and conditioner. I would say that is second to my Pureology. I have used both for over a year now. So after I wash my hair, the only thing I put in is a little Paul Mitchell Super Skinny, and then I wash my hair at night. I put it up in a bun. So this morning, I washed it last night. So this morning, when I came into the beauty room and undid it, it's still going to be damp and it's going to be kind of crazy. Not super curly, but it's going to be like wavy. It's still damp. I just section off my hair the exact same way that I'm going to section my hair, putting the extensions in. And then I use this curling iron, and it's still damp and it will curl right through that dampness. It's amazing. I think that's the best curling iron. And then if my hair does get dirty throughout the week, so I only wash it a couple times, I only use one dry shampoo, and that's Not Your Mother's Texturizing Beach Babe dry shampoo. I love it. I love the smell of it. I love that there's not this white residue. I love that it's light and it just works well, and I have tried so many and I either hate the way it makes my hair feel or I hate the smell. And then to set my hair, so once it's curled and say in this position, I don't use a whole lot of product. I use the Redken. This is by far my favorite. This is Triple Dry 15. So it almost has it's a finishing spray, but it almost has a dry shampoo feel to it, and the smell is phenomenal. Things have to smell good to me. And I literally will do something like this. Pull the bang, pull the front part away, and then that's it. Boop, 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 done. That's it. Sometimes I spray it just for the smell. It smells so good. Now, as far as color, there are two things we do at the hairdressers. I do get my hair colored probably every 3 to 4 weeks. When we're going on 4 weeks, there's probably ½ an inch of growth because my hair does grow fast. If you look really close, you can see that I have some gray showing. So I'm getting my hair done in about 4 days. In between the color times, if I was heading towards week 4, I would use the L'Oreal Root Touch-Up. You guys have seen it in my empties, and I use the color red. My hair is red. Sometimes it shows through the camera as a brown, but it is an auburn, and there is a lot of red in it. For my actual color, we do two things. Every 3 to 4 weeks, we do the base, which is where your roots are, and I will list what that formula is in the description box. And then when I feel like my hair is getting a little dull or needs just a little extra conditioning, especially like in the winter, it's a little bit drier, we do a toner, and she'll put a little bit, whatever I want. If I want it a little bit brighter, she'll put a little more red in it. So it just depends. Right now we're on a formula that would be different than summer, so I will put that in the description box as well. So that's my hair. Now let's talk about extensions. This is so pretty. I love that it has its own little box and there's a little ribbon attached to it. And then when you open it up, you have a sample piece, which any good hair extensions are going to have sample pieces, and then they're going to have the actual hair extensions, and they're going to have a tab here. So once you break the seal of the tab, they're yours to keep. And then they also put in some eyelashes. These are pretty wild, guys. Let's start with the sample piece. This is gonna match pretty well. So here is the sample piece. Look at that, it's gorgeous. Now you can see that it's gonna be a little bit redder in certain areas, but it's really close when you put it up. Out here, it looks completely different. But once it's blended into your hair, this is going to match really well. First of all, let me talk about how incredibly soft these are. Wow. Like, these are really, really gorgeous. There's a lot of extensions. So it comes with 10 pieces, including the little side piece. I'll go ahead and show you what I do for hair extensions. And section my hair. And so I'm just going to use one of those. Here's two. You don't need to be so precise with your lines in the back like with tape-ins. So I'm going to take the second to the widest ones, and the clips just snap open. You can hear them. And this one has 4 clips, so I'm just going to take it and kind of measure it out, and then take the 2 clips and just start with the 2 in the middle. Now I'm going to take the next one, and this would be the widest weft. It has 4 clips as well. And I'm going to go in again. Down again, and do the next one. So I just put the center here, and then on each side, and you just clip the hair and then push down, and that's it. So really very easy. It doesn't take but a few minutes. Just only using 3 in the back. So now we need to get some length on the sides. I'm gonna go and we're gonna do each side individually. So I'm going to, now what I found is a little trick is I go at a diagonal in putting this in. Okay. So I'm gonna take, there's 2 pieces that have 2 clips. And I am going to put those here. It would be too close to the ear. So I need to pull it back. It's okay, trust me. So I'm going to do the other side. Hair down again. Going to go and do 2 on each side. Okay. Now I could have curled the extensions beforehand, to match them up a little bit better. But I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hair and the extension hair and curl them together. And again, it's just a matter of taking those pieces and just working them in and just curl the extensions into your hair. And these add a really pretty little highlight. Do a few curls up at the crown. So let me go ahead and give you my thoughts on the Mhot hair extensions. They're beautiful. I will say that, you know, I have tried many clip-in hair extensions and these ones are really good. First of all, the quality of the hair is phenomenal. I love the snap, very easy to use, the snap closures, but this is beautiful. I mean, the color of this hair is gorgeous and it's so incredibly soft. And you see I did it in 5 minutes. I mean, really, 5 minutes. It's very, very simple. And this is sort of a beachy wave look. I could straighten it. I could, you know, do tighter curls, but I really like this sort of, you know, just beachy, kind of just got out of bed look. And I love the length, and yeah, it only took a few minutes, so it's perfect for, you know, those special occasions where you just want to do them, and then when you're done, you literally just unclip and then take them off. And they give you this beautiful box so that you could store them in. So you could just store them right here. And yeah, I love the presentation of the box as well. So I do have a coupon code. Of course I do, because, you know, anytime I work with a company, you know, that is one of the things that I do ask. And so I will put it here and in the description box. And I will also list the color and the length in the description box as well. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.